Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best sneaker cleaners that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off our list at number 5 is Grandma's Secret Sneaker Cleaner. This compact 3-ounce spray cleaner is perfect for removing dirt, grime, grass stains, and more from your sneakers. The toxin-free formula works on various materials like rubber, canvas, and leather, leaving zero residue and restoring your shoes to their original finish. The portability of this cleaner makes it ideal for quick touch-ups on the go, whether you're traveling or at the office. Its easy-to-use design allows you to spray, let it sit for 15 seconds, scrub with a brush, rinse, and let dry. However, the small size of the bottle might not be practical for heavy-duty cleaning or frequent use, and the need for a separate brush could be a downside for some users. While the cleaner is effective for basic stains, it may require multiple applications for tougher marks. This product is a great choice for anyone looking for an easy-to-carry, quick solution for maintaining casual and outdoor shoes, but it may not suit those who need an all-in-one cleaning kit or larger volume. Overall, Grandma's Secret Sneaker Cleaner is a solid option for occasional use and portability. Its compact size and ease of application make it a reliable travel companion, but other products on this list offer more comprehensive cleaning solutions for a wider range of materials and situations. At number 4, we have the TidyBond Shoe Cleaner Kit, a versatile deep cleaning solution for sneakers, tennis shoes, and more. This 6.76-ounce liquid cleaner is designed for use on leather, canvas, rubber, and other materials, making it a reliable choice for a wide range of footwear. The formula excels at removing stains and dirt without damaging your shoes, leaving them refreshed and looking new. Its larger size ensures plenty of cleaning sessions, ideal for regular upkeep. The TidyBond cleaner has a smooth application process, though it does require a brush or cloth for scrubbing, which adds an extra step to the process. While the product works well for general cleaning, it might not specialize in tougher stains or scuffs compared to more targeted solutions. The lack of portability due to its larger size makes it better suited for home use rather than on-the-go touch-ups. In summary, the TidyBond Shoe Cleaner Kit is a solid all-around option for users who need a dependable cleaner for a variety of materials. Its larger size and effective formula make it a good choice for routine cleaning, though it falls short in portability and specialized use cases. Coming in at number 3 is the Jevu Sneaker Cleaner Foam, a 6.76-ounce cleaning solution designed specifically for white shoes. This foam cleaner is effective on leather, knit, canvas, fabric, tennis shoes, and even suede, making it one of the most versatile products on our list. The foam penetrates deeply to lift stains and dirt without damaging your shoes. Its lightweight formula makes application easy. Just spray, scrub, and wipe. One notable benefit of the Jevu cleaner is its performance on delicate materials like suede and knit fabrics. This makes it ideal for those who own high-end or sensitive sneakers. However, the lack of portability and the need for a separate brush may deter users looking for a simpler solution. Additionally, while it excels at cleaning white shoes, it may be less effective on darker or colored materials. Overall, the Jevu Sneaker Cleaner Foam is perfect for sneaker enthusiasts who prioritize versatility and effectiveness on delicate materials. Its ability to work on a wide range of shoe types makes it a valuable addition to your cleaning arsenal. But some users may prefer a more portable option. At number 2, we have the Pansonite Instant Sole and Sneaker Cleaner. This 10-pack of dual-sided sponges is designed to quickly clean sneaker soles and remove dirt, scuffs, and stains. The sponge features a soft white side for scrubbing and an orange side for finishing, ensuring a polished look for your shoes. The compact design makes it easy to carry in your bag, perfect for on-the-go touch-ups. The Pansonite sponges are especially effective on white soles, making them a top choice for sneaker enthusiasts who love clean, bright finishes. However, their utility is limited to soles, so users looking for a comprehensive solution for uppers and other materials may need to supplement this product with another cleaner. The disposable design is convenient but may not be cost-effective for frequent use. Overall, the Pansanite Instant Sole and Sneaker Cleaner offers excellent performance for sole cleaning, portability, and ease of use. It's ideal for those who value quick touch-ups and pristine white soles, but it lacks the versatility of an all-in-one cleaning solution. Finally, at number 1, we have the Sneakeracer's Sole and Sneaker Cleaner, the ultimate solution for sneaker cleaning. This 20-pack of dual-sided sponges features advanced dual-layer technology and micro scrubbers that make quick work of stubborn marks, scuffs, and dirt. The white side breaks down naturally during use, while the orange side wipes away residue, leaving your sneakers looking brand new. Designed for smooth white soles, these sponges are perfect for tennis shoes, basketball shoes, gym sneakers, and more. Sneakeracer stands out for its portability and convenience. The pocket-sized sponges are perfect for on-the-go use, whether you're traveling, at work, or at the gym. Despite their disposable nature, each sponge can handle multiple cleanings if used properly, offering great value. While highly effective on white soles, they may not be as versatile for cleaning uppers or darker materials. The gentle rub design ensures minimal effort during application, making them user-friendly even for sneaker novices. In conclusion, Sneakeracers takes the top spot for its innovative design, portability, and effectiveness on white soles. It's a must-have for sneaker lovers looking for a quick, reliable, and easy-to-use cleaning solution. Although it's specialized for soles, its performance and convenience make it the best choice for maintaining your sneakers' pristine appearance. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.